Hello, history scholars. Mrs. Olson here. Today's lesson and assignment is titled Government Branches Connection. Your learning target reads that you will be able to make connections with content learned and current events. So you're going to be looking up news articles, that's the current event portion of it, and connecting that with content learned is about the three government branches. So let's begin right here. It says, you have learned about the three branches of government. Now let's make some connections. Here's what I mean. So this is what you are going to do. One, you are going to find an article. Now, if your family gets the actual newspaper delivered to your house, you can use that. Or if you want to use an online source, you are welcome to do that too. So you're finding an article that discusses an action by one of the branches of government. So you're going to be looking for articles that have information about the legislative, executive, or judicial branches doing something. They're going to take an action, okay? You will have to either upload or provide a link for the article. And in the writing assignment, you're going to explain what you learned in the article and then how it connects to one of the branches of government. So what I did here is I gave you 3 links to news sites that are written just for kids. Now, if you want to use a news site that maybe you are used to or your parent person is used to, you are more than welcome to do that. Once again, these are written directly for kids, so I thought that was kind of neat. So the news site that I have pulled up is actually Time Magazine for Kids. It's just called Time for Kids. And when you click on it, see, what I did is I gave you the link directly to the age level that they have written it for. So you guys are in the 5th grade, as in 5, 6, okay? And this is the front page of the 5th and 6th graders page. So you can see on this first page, the front page, that they have a lot of different articles. So this one is on the environment, butterflies. This one is about peanut allergies. This one is about, let's see, an explorer. You can see that he has his camera. Ah, that's scary, right next to a brown bear. Okay. Just had the Super Bowl. And here we have the top 2 articles. There's President Trump. It says border fight. And this one says back to class. This is when the LA teachers were striking. Okay? So you may not find anything on this first page. And that's why I want to show you this part. So this gives you the contents of the newspaper or this news magazine. So if you click on it, it brings up the different sections that you can look up. Okay, so okay, so if you click on United States, you are more apt to get information on the government because we are studying the 3 branches of government. So here's the top article. Now this one is going to be about the border fight, as you can see, and since it is about President Donald Trump, who is right there, you might be able to find information on the executive branch. This is another one with government, but I'm going to say this one's not going to work because I know that this is more about state government, which we didn't really study. Okay, and if you keep going down, you can find another one here. This is about the government shutdown, which you might have heard about. And this one could be good because it's going to actually talk about the executive branch and the legislative branch. Okay, and you can keep going down and My computer's being a little bit slow today, but you'll find more information about government. And if you're not sure if it's a good article to click on, you can always see that it says government right here. Okay, now I'm going to click out of time and I want to go back to one of these. I'm going to go to this one because I'm more familiar with the website, although the other one is a good option. Okay, so this one is done by the Washington Post and they call it Kid Post. And once again, this is the front page of Kid Post. And you can see that they have a lot of different articles for you to read here. But what I want to show you is how to use this. Now, if you go to the top left of Kid Post, you can click on sections, and then you can see that they have different parts that you can click on. So politics will probably give you the best bet to find your article. So with politics, you can see that it says White House, which is going to be about the executive branch. Courts and law. Courts is going to be the judicial branch. And of course, law, the lawmakers, is the legislative branch. So either of those can give you information that you might be able to use in the writing assignment. Okay, so under White House, once again, it is about the executive branch. Okay, and I would say find one that you are kind of interested in. Don't just click on the first one, find one that is going to be kind of interesting to you. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our assignment page, and the next thing that I suggest is to watch the video on how to complete the writing assignment. Now, before you get to the writing assignment, if you guys have questions about what kind of article to choose or what to look for in the article, let me know so that I can help. Okay, bye!